Alright, hello everybody, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna start building our single sign-on. If you don't know what's a single sign-on, well, it's basically a way to authenticate you through one account but across multiple services. Not exactly OAuth, but for example, when you log into your Google account, you're automatically able to use Google Drive, Google Doc, Google Slides, Google Sheet, Google Search, Google Account, etc. These are all different services, but once you have one Google account, you log into any sites using that account, you'll be available to across all the services. All right, so this is what we're going to do. This is a guide that's basically copied from this Django Simple SSO. We're not going to use this package because we might implement something that's not Django based, which means it's going to cause some problem if it's not Django based. So that's why we're just going to implement something from scratch using these 9 steps they provided. Alright, so first is user want to log into a client by clicking the login button. The initially request URL can be passed using the next get parameter. The client's Python code then does a HTTP request to the server to request an authentication token. This is called the request token request. Alright. The server return request token. The client redirect the user to a view on the server using the request token. This is the authorization request. If the user is not logged on to the server, the prompt to log in, the user is then redirect to the client, include the request token and an auth token. This is authorization. Auth token. Okay, I kind of get it now. So basically, what we're gonna have is first let's do this part. All right, user this part. So oh, okay, my bad. 1 second. Let me select. Got messed up a little bit. Hopefully this will work. All right, good. Let's see. So we don't really need this anymore. All right. Okay. Yeah, let's comment this line out as well. All right. So, first is when they click on the login button. All right. Let's see how this works, though. How would it work? We need to have another app running then. Right? We're just gonna start another project and let's call this mail. Alright, we're gonna get another Django server started here. Django server, Django project. Project at once. So include this Reddit post. Alright. Okay, so we can simply run it. Alright, easy enough. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this part then. Let's say it's a virtual environment. Let's create a new VMV. Alright. So the reason we need two because this is like the server, like the account server, and then we need another service. So Gmail gonna be the next service gonna implement because I think this is the most fun one of the most fun thing we can implement. So we're gonna do that. All right. Let's see. Source VMV bin activate. All right. Now let's say pip install Django. I should probably do this but do this before I record this video, but I like to all of you to see that this is like the syncing going on here. Whew. Okay. Django admin start project. Oh no, it's not start project anymore. Python manage.py start app syndication. Despite it's still called syndication, it's not gonna really handle it anymore. The reason gonna have it because you still need this step. Alright. So in here we want to say register request. Alright, if they're registering, then here what I want to say. That's weird. Alright. So then in here we're gonna say this. Register. I'm just gonna say return render. Not random template. Render request authentication slash registered HTML. One second, let me just double check. Let me also put master here. Alright, pass loss include application the URL. Let me get the base.html set up. I think we might gonna create a reusable app from here, but I'm not gonna show how to do that since I already have a tutorial on that. I can project series on that. I can check that out, but I think it'll be good to do that so we can refactor some code out. All right, log in. Let's just run the server, see if we can run it or not. 8001. Okay, oops, I forgot to do that part. From Django.urls import pass dot import views URL patterns equals to pass register views dot register. Alright, I don't think migrate is important for now. Let's just remove everything from the body here. Alright. to dmail. All right. So let me go to Bootstrap and then get a nice looking button there. So component buttons. All right. Log into Google. All right. And in here is a, let's add a script. Here's a location.assign. We'll assign them to /auth/login/redirect. Shouldn't call this register function. Should really call this chaos. You know what? Let's just call this register. Yeah. All right. Let's see. Okay. Say say auth redirect request. Just say auth/redirect. All right. Implement that. All right. Let's open another tab. All right. Okay. /auth/register. I'll just migrate it just in case it's causing some error. Nope, the error is still here. All right. A syndication template, a syndication/base.html. No template. Okay. I think I add that. Yeah, I add that here. Okay, let me go through the step again. Syndication. Register. Okay, what if I did something like this? Would it now work? It now work. Okay. That means there's something wrong with linked authentication. Ooh, wait, what? Well, not the area is now. I'm referring to itself for some reason. My bad. Oh no, what did I did here? Alright, let's refresh. Alright, log into Google. Alright, so what they did is it should call redirect. Yep. Alright. So redirect, here's where it's going to happen. Alright. So in here, let's just say base URL equals to HTTP 127.0.0.1:8001. And in here, we'll just say return redirect to, and then we say communicate, and then we say account server API server URL is HTTP 8000. All right, and then we say redirect to account server URL Let's see what the step says. Okay, so pass using get. All right, it says /os /sso. All right, and now we say next equals to account server equals to base URL. All right, we need to implement this SSO function as well. All right, SSO. Okay, let's see what's next step. Okay, let's try it out. Try it out. What do we see? All right, nice. We did return here. Okay. Next. Decline Python code.http request to server request and authentication token. This is called the request token request. All right. So in here, we'll go ahead and do another pip install. Install this requests here. Oops, too far. All right. So in here is does HTTP request to server to request an authentication token. Alrighty. Let's import requests here. All right. So in here, we're gonna say requests.post, of course. And we're gonna post to this account server URL os SSO, and then here we're gonna say request authentication token. Request authentication token. All right. And then here we're gonna say authentication token. Here. And then consider request session brackets authentication token equals to work with me. Come on. All right, there we go. All right, let's go to views then, and in here let's say dev request authentication request. All right, so many requests. Okay, so in here, what we're gonna do is we're gonna create our model, and then just gonna say authentication request. Model. And in here, we're just gonna say code equals to model char field. Max length is 30. All right, and then we're gonna create helpers. We've got a helper here. All right, random stir. We're gonna use this random stir function as well to generate random string. From helper, import random stir. All right, say default equals to random stir parenthesis 30. Unique to true. All right, and then we're gonna go views. Gonna import this from the models. Import authentication requests. All right, SSO. So in here, we're gonna say authentication requests. Auth request. You know what? I'm just gonna say request. Yeah, it should be something like this. Ooh, let's see. All right, let's get it back then. Let's get it. Just filter. Reverse, get the first element. And then auth request. So return JSON response. Authentication token. It's going to be auth request dot code. Oops, I made a mistake here. Alright, let's wait for this to finish. Let's make a migration. Let's migrate it as well. Alright, let's try this out. Let me double check. It works. Let's say JSON bracket. Wait, what? Wait, what I want? Oh, okay. Let me just. Okay. SSO. Alright, pass SSO slash request authentication token. Alright, done so. Done. Alright. Let's just to print out this token, just to make sure everything works. This is probably going to be our first step, because we got a 9th step to follow. Obviously, we cannot do it in one video. Let's go to this. Go to 1. Stop the server. So what's gonna happen is we're gonna host them all on Heroku, different domain. So you maybe need to have a credit card. So where you have multiple accounts. All right. Oh, CSRF's token. Oh, never mind. Gonna set CSRF exam here. Let's see. Okay, we do get the token back. I want to make it a number alphanumeric. So in here we say alpha equals to false. Equals to false. And in here I say if alpha equals to true, I want to return plus random trace. Dot ASCII letters. Log into Dudo. Alright, and let me update this model really quick. Say alpha equals to true. Maybe we need to remigrate everything. Do we need to make a migration? Yeah, we do. Alright, let me take a look. Nice. Now we got this alphanumeric string here. Okay, so that's gonna be, we're starting session as well, and that's gonna be our syndication token. That will be it for this video. So the next video we're gonna do is most likely these two steps. We're gonna maybe separate them into 3 or 4 videos. Hopefully I can do it in single sign 3 videos and make sure it works. Maybe 4, who knows. So maybe you're gonna do these 3 steps. The server requests the server return the token. The client redirect the user to a view on the server using request token. And then, if not, yeah, the rest stuff gonna be a little bit more easier, I think. But thanks for watching this video. If you have any question or comment, feel free to comment down below. Thank you for all of your support. Be sure to check out the MLH Fellowship vlog, or more like a PowerPoint style, every Friday, February 1st to April 24th, 2021. Alright, thanks for watching this video. Stay safe. As always, stay safe and have a nice day. DevWithMe, out.